Programming a key fob for your 1998-2005 Mercury Sable synchronizes the remote's radio frequency with your car's receiver. First, source a compatible key fob from eBay or junkyards for about $10 to $50 and ensure it has a fresh battery. The core process involves ignition cycling. Rapidly turn the ignition from on to off 5 to 7 times within a short period to enter programming mode. Then press the lock and unlock buttons on the fob to synchronize it with the car. The fob communicates via radio frequency at 314 MHz for North American Mercury Sables. You can program multiple key fobs by repeating the button presses sequentially after the initial cycling. If programming fails, first troubleshoot by checking the battery age or looking for electronic faults in the car's system. Having trouble? Double-check the fob battery. A weak battery is the most common cause of failure. Be aware of model-specific variations between 1998 to 2000 and 2001 to 2005 engines, because anti-theft systems like PATs might need extra steps. If cycling the ignition doesn't work, consult your service manual for the correct procedure for your exact model year. While DIY programming is legal, incorrect attempts might void warranties. To prevent electrical shorts, disconnect the car battery during the process. If all else fails, a corroded BCM connector could be the culprit, needing professional repair. Remember, programming failures occur in about 25% of cases, so don't be discouraged if it takes a few tries. If still not working, consider an inexpensive universal remote or consulting a professional. Always test the fob after programming by locking and unlocking the doors to ensure it works properly.